birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Happy birthday to you. Rick, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita! Miss you!
Happy birthday po, Lola Ibe. Ingat po palagi dyan. God bless po. I love you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Hi Tita Ibe, happy birthday to you. Wishing you all the best. Stay healthy and stay stable.
Happy birthday, Tita. Celebrating you today. Happy birthday to one of the most incredible people I know. Your kindness, strength, and unwavering support inspire everyone around you. Today we celebrate not just your birth, the beautiful soul that you are. Happy birthday, Tita. Keep safe always.
Hi Tita Ibe, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Stay fit and stay healthy and always think.
Happy birthday, Tita Ibe. Wishing you a day filled with love, happiness, and good health. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Ibe. I hope you're enjoying your day. Stay healthy, stay sexy. And we love you and we miss you so much.
Happy birthday Tita Ibe. I wish you a good health po. Sana magkita-kita na ulit kayo nila nanay. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Ibe.
Hello po.
Kami mag-asawa ay bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday. Yan, wish namin sa iyo na more birthdays to come at sana balang araw magkita-kita tayo sa Pilipinas, sabay-sabay. Magkaroon tayo ng reunion. Yun. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi Ate Ibe, happy birthday. Wish you good health and long life. More happiness in life. Sana din makauwi ka para din makasama mo pa rin sila nanay, yung mga kapatid mo, magkaroon pa rin kayo ng bonding together. At kami rin, makasama ka rin namin. Basta, enjoy your day and make the most of it. God bless and we love you. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Tita Marie. Happy birthday. Just wanted to let you know that we love you and cheers to many more years to come. Happy birthday. It's Missy and I can't wait to see you on your birthday.
Hey, this is Gigi. I'll come to your party and I love you. Hey, Tita Marine, happy birthday. I hope you have a great birthday, and I'm coming too, and we're birthday twins. Love you.
Happy birthday, Aunt Maria. My favorite memory of you was when you and Gary lived in the trailer off of Brooks and the house and off of Vinese Road or something like that. Every time I would come over, you would always ask me, hey, are you hungry? Would you like something to drink? No, Joseph, I insist. You eat, you drink. I love it.
Hello, Tibe. Happy birthday, tita, nanay, ate. O ngayon, konti lang, hindi to isang sako. Alam mo bang isa ka sa pinaka-importanteng tao sa akin, Ate Ibe. At saka, hindi lang tayo sa family. You'll be my best friend, barkada, sa mga kwentuhan natin, mga sikreto, lalo yung mga maritas natin. Namilis ko lahat ng mga bagay na yan. By the way, Ate Ibe, happy birthday. Wish ko ang happiness mo, long life, good health, at saka yung pagiging sexy mo, dapat stay mo lang yung pagiging sexy mo, ha. Tinalo mo kaming lahat ng pamangkin mo, ikaw na tagapanalo sa family sa pagiging sexy mo. And by the way, Ate, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Mahal na mahal ka na.
Tita, sana marami pang mangyayari sa buhay mo habang ikaw ay malakas pa. At mag-ingat tayo lagi, mga anak mo dyan. Mahal ka namin, Tita. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Nasa garap ako, nasa labas ako. Kasi
sa bahay. Pagdating ko magbulutin natin. Happy birthday, baby! God bless you always. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Love you!
Una sa lahat gusto itang batiin ng happy birthday sa birthday mo, tate. At sana pagkaloob mo ka ng ating Panginoon Diyos na malakas mga tawan at manatili yung kagandahan na sa lahi natin. Yan. At saka ate, maraming salamat sa lahat ng support ang binibigay mo sa akin simula noon hanggang ngayon. Kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan ko. At yung hindi ko makakalimutan na favorite moment natin, yung grade 6 ko na umatin tayo sa graduation ko ng 1989 March. Yan si Ate Ivy kasi siya yung umatin ng graduation ko na dalawa lang kami talaga. Na hinatid niya ako sa eskwelahan, tapos hindi po nag-aagahan Ate Ivy. Tandaan mo yun, binilan mo ako ng buko, ng pandigo ko, tapos inaalok kita kahit na alam ko na gutom ka, hindi mo kinuha yun. Hindi mo kinuha yung pinauus mo sa akin. Tapos nung naghahatid na ng mga graduation doon sa stage, naalala mo yun na ikaw yung nag-iisa na nakasandals, nakachinilas lang siya, tapos nakasando, nakashort, tapos naka pang-graduation ako na pinagtitinginan sa Ate Ivy na hinatid niya ako sa stage. Ivy, talagang hindi ko makakalimutan. Yun ang favorite moment ko na sinamahan mo ko na kahit gano'n yung itsura mo na ang itim mo pa noon. Pero maganda, syempre. Hindi ko makakalimutan yan. Tapos yung nakipagsunto ko na sa eskwelahan ng grade 6 noon na binitbit mo si Bandolin doon sa may kwelyo, dinikdik mo sa pader. Pati yung SDF na kinakain, tinapon mo Ate Ivy, tinapin niya yung Ate Ivy. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Kaya ate, sana kung nasaan ka man Ate Ivy, isa ka sa mga favorite na tita ko. Salamat ng maraming sa mga suporta na pinagkakaloob mo sa amin mula noon hanggang ngayon. Tanda mo Ate Ivy, mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ko ang pamilya mo. At sana makauwi sana kayo rito para magkaroon pa rin tayo ng family bonding. Ivy, muli, happy birthday Ate Ivy at enjoy your day. Ate Ivy ha, at babus.
Ivy, kumusta ka na? Happy birthday. Birthday mo pala ngayon. I pray na mahaba pa ang buhay para sa iyong pamilya. Sana wag mo pumabayaan yung sarili. Ilang taon ka na ba ngayon, Ate Ivy? Oo, dito pa rin ako. Hanap buhay, nagpapadya. Kailan kayo magbabakasin dito? Bagong gising nga ako eh. Kasama ko, tutulog ko si Janela. Happy birthday, Ate Ivy ha. Sa March 13, birthday ko rin. Pares pala tayo ng buwan. Kasama mo ngayon dyan. Sige po, Ate Ivy. Happy birthday ulit and God bless.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my grandma. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a wonderful day. I need to come visit y'all. Hopefully I'll do that sometime soon, but I don't know when. But, have a wonderful day.
Birthday! Maring cousin! Ang cousin mong maganda. Nasa lahi natin yan. Happy birthday, Ate Ivy! More birthdays to come. I know, masaya ka ngayon. Yoo-hoo! Mwah! Sana padala mo naman kami ng blowout mo, ng panghanda mo. Wish you more happiness and long life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Ivy! Many more birthdays to come. At sana tumagal pa buhay mo. And happy blowout din dito sa Kalumpit. Babu! Happy birthday!
Ay, Ninang.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Salamat sa lahat. Ang wish ko, more birthday to comes for you. good health. Always, lagi ka mag-iingat dyan. I love you, Ninang Ibe. I love you din ka mo, Ninang Arjoy. Sabi ba? Yun na!
Ako na nga. Ako na nga.
Bye!
Ako na.
Birthday po ulit, Ninang Ibe.
Sa pinsang kong sexy, si Ibi, si Marikita. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ibi! Marikita! More birthdays to come. Wish ko sa'yo love, happiness, and good health. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po. More birthday to come. Palagi po kayong mag-iingat, Ninang. Lalong-lalo na po yung kalusugan ay ingatan, Ninang, ha. And thank you sa lahat, Ninang. Alam mo na po yun. And I love you so much, Ninang. God bless.
Happy birthday, my sister-in-law. You are smart, beautiful, and many more birthday to come. I love you. Mwah! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my sister-in-law.
Happy birthday, Ibe! Hi!
Birthday, Ibe. Sana maligaya ka sa iyong karoon. Mag-ingat ka lagi.
Hello, Sista. Happy birthday. I love you. Ang laking pogi. Happy birthday, sister. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thanks sa lahat ng tulong.
Happy birthday, Ibe. Alagaan mo ang kalusugan mo. At mag-iingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo. At sana umaba pa ang buhay natin magkakapatid. At magkita-kita pa tayo. Love you.
Hi, this is Gina from California, sister-in-law of Marie. Just want to greet Marie on her 60th birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Stay as sweet as you are. I love you.
Hey, Mom, this is Derek. I just want to wish you a happy birthday coming up. And I just want to tell you how important you are to me and my family. And I'm so glad that you got into our family. We've had a lot of great experiences. But again, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Talk to you later. Look forward to seeing you again soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Marie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Have a good one. Bye.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. I'm sorry we couldn't make it to this celebration, but we wish you the best. I hope that you have a peaceful and long, happy life.
Happy birthday. My memory, time with you guys, I can remember hanging out with you guys at Van Nuys. And then I can remember when we at Steel Road, Magnolia, and then Woodbine and Josephette, and then Lexington Drive. Lots of good memories with you and your family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. Love you.
Love you.